Hello everyone, I'm Henry and you're welcome to my YouTube channel Inside the App. Now on this channel, I help you become a Solidity development expert. We deal on everything DeFi, NFTs, and EVM compatible networks. If you're a Web2 developer looking to transition into the Web3 space, this is definitely the channel for you. And yeah, just 1 week since we started the channel and we've seen some growth in the past few days. So for everyone who subscribed to the channel, I want to say a very big thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for liking, thanks for your comments, keep sharing and keep helping this channel grow.
About to take you on a ride.
Today we're going to be looking at the introduction to blockchain. Now if I may ask, what is blockchain technology? Blockchain is an immutable ledger of transactions grouped together in blocks that are duplicated and distributed across a peer-to-peer network of computers known as nodes. These computers are set up by a group of players referred to as miners, and they are responsible for adding new blocks to the existing blockchain network. How do they do this? They do this by solving a complex mathematical puzzle as they compete against one another to get the correct answer and earn the privilege of adding a new block to the chain and getting the associated incentive. This might require a lot of computing power to stay competitive. The process of setting up a node is usually hectic and expensive, and it is mostly carried out by experts who understand and who are familiar with the required software and hardware. To compensate for this cost and stress and inconvenience, so to say, the miners get to earn rewards when they eventually validate a block and add it to the existing blockchain network. So where does this reward come from? Now you may have heard of cryptocurrencies. Many people know cryptocurrencies from trading them on centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges, off and on ramp platforms, and many other places where they use cryptocurrencies, for instance making investments, and the list goes on. So yes, just like every other currency or trading asset, cryptocurrency has value in the financial markets, and it's usually bought for several reasons, like to make profits, to make investments, to make payments, and many other reasons why people buy cryptocurrency basically. However, its primary reason is for gas payment. Yes, you heard me right. So what is gas? Gas fees are fees you pay when you make transactions on a blockchain. So the miner that adds the block to the network, the miner who successfully validates the block and adds it to the chain, becomes the one to earn the incentives associated with that block. You may have heard of consensus mechanism. Basically, this is just the agreement process. And the process I just explained to you is a typical proof of work consensus algorithm, which is how Bitcoin and the old Ethereum 1 work. There are also several consensus mechanisms like proof of stake, delegated proof of stake, proof of capacity, proof of authority, and many more. Now, there are different types of blockchains. They include private, public, hybrid, and consortium blockchains. Now, the public blockchains are the most popular blockchains that you probably know of. These are the blockchains that house cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoins, the Ethereums, and the rest of them. So these blockchains are public. They are usually decentralized, and then there's access for everyone to participate and play in the blockchain. So that's how public blockchains are built. They use the distributed ledger technology, which ensures that data is distributed across multiple computers and run in a decentralized form. Private blockchains run almost like the public, but the difference is that it works in a restrictive environment where only the authorized parties can access them. They are also known as permissioned or enterprise blockchains. Hybrid blockchains are like a combination of public blockchains and private blockchains. They are sometimes used for systems that do not require every user to have access to every piece of data on that network. Consortium blockchains are like hybrid blockchains, but the difference is that it isn't governed by a single entity. So a group of people come together, organization, or just a group of people come together to make it decentralized for them. So it's not governed by a single body or single entity. So that's how consortium blockchain works. Are there any other use cases for blockchain? Bitcoin, which is the first ever blockchain to exist, was built to allow for the exchange of value from one entity to another. That means its sole use case was mainly for the transfer of value from point A to point B, from user A to user B, using the blockchain technology, of course. And then there came another solution, another project named Ethereum, and Ethereum came to make Bitcoin more usable in the way that you can build and deploy applications on the blockchain. And these applications that are built and deployed on the blockchain are what we know as smart contracts. So in my next video, I'm going to be talking about smart contracts and how it is changing the game in every industry. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video today. I'll see you some other time. Bye-bye.